Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Skimask BRET token. Now this is a combination of two very popular base memes. BRET is like the mascot for the base chain because he is the blue members of the Boys Club comic book by Matt Furie. We have Pepe on ETH. We got, there's a Land Wolf on AVAX. There's a few other ones there. There's, Bird Dog, and there's a bunch of them anyways. Andy, and Brett, he's very popular on base, and so is the Skimask dog. That token just got a ton of big central exchange listings, huge market cap, and so this is a combination of both of those memes. Now we have Skimask Brett, and the ticker symbol here for this token is Skib. SKIB. This token right now is trending number 19 on DEX Screener in the base section. Doing pretty well today. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token trending number 19 right now on DEX Screener in the base section. Could be possibly because of these two very popular memes, or they've also been doing marketing today. So they do have the ads boost button. It says 10 lightning bolts marketing boost ads button there on DEX Screener. And right now they're up 29.46% in the past 24 hours. Just today they've had 14,216 transactions. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $64,000, and their market cap and fully diluted valuation is $292,000. They have $52,000 worth of liquidity in Uniswap, and according to DEX Screener, 100% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Now, token price is 0.0003 USD, and this token was actually just created 1 day, 22 hours ago. So this is a very brand new project here. You can find this token on BaseScan. You can find the chart and the price on DEX Tools, DEX Screener, and Gecko Terminal as well. And yeah, so this token here, if you're looking to get it, you could get it off of Uniswap, which is a decentralized exchange for Ethereum tokens, for Base tokens, for a few different chains. But first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Base tokens. So a Coinbase wallet would be fitting, since this is the Coinbase blockchain, but you could also use a Trust wallet or MetaMask wallet. You could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund that wallet with ETH and bridge it to Base, or you could fund your wallet directly with Base from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Base, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then trade your Base for the Skimask BRET token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, skimaskbret.xyz, or you can find it right here on this Twitter that I'm going to put in the corner of the screen at BasedSkiBret on X. Contract address is real easy to find right there. They have 7 tweets so far. Their Twitter just joined in December 2024. It says Wagwan Base, 46 followers. So in their pinned tweet also, they have a the contract address, a link to DEX Screener and the web page where you could also find the contract address and their Telegram. So basically like a full link tree is right there in that pinned tweet. And then if you keep scrolling, you're just going to see all sorts of Skimask Brett memes. And of course, that's what we all need and love is the memes. So you probably, you might have to set slippage actually. Let me see if there's taxes on this token here. So it'll tell you in their quick audit here by Go Plus Security. It says no buy and sell tax, so you won't have to set slippage when buying or selling this token. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees. And maybe this token will get some central exchange listings in the future, and that's why it's a good idea to follow the socials, like the Twitter right there, or their Telegram at Skimask Brett. 42 subscribers. You could preview the Telegram channel before joining. And this token doing very well. 12,951 holders, sorry. 12,951 holders, and this token is less than 2 days old. So that's a decent amount of holders in 2 days. 18 decimal places on this token, and there's a max total supply of 1 billion tokens. Now, it says here that there is 2 different liquidity providers in Uniswap for this token. Now, on their webpage, there's a link to CoinGecko, DEX Tools, copy the contract address, a buy now button, Telegram, Twitter, picture of Skimask Brett, and then a contact email, skimaskbrett@gmail.com. So there's not a lot of info on this token. It's very much just a meme coin with little to no utility. And it's a deflationary token, so their base scan said 1 billion total supply, but according to DEX Tools, right now the total and circulating supply is 954.28 million tokens. Now they got a low DEX score. They lost some points for information because it's lacking very much a lot of info on their webpage. They have a couple quick audits, so they have one by Quick Intel Security, Go Plus Security, and honeypot.is that you could find on DEX Tools. And there's one conflict. So Quick Intel Security says no external call risk. And then Go Plus Security says there is an external call risk. And then that is the same conflict if you look on DEX Screener as well. There's only one issue. So Go Plus says external call risk and Quick Intel doesn't. And it's hard to say which one is right. And I don't know why that happens and why they can't figure out why one would say one thing and one would say the other. But just be aware that thoroughly do your own research before investing in anything. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.